Kazwa and Bilal show. You know that it won't end well.
I can't wait for this art class. I'm sure I'm going to be amazing.
Just try not to be too clumsy this time.
I'm never clumsy.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my art class. Today we will be painting this flower.
Oh, cool.
Good focus, Bilal. Looking good so far, Zaky.
Thanks, Nadine. It's harder than it looks.
Look at me. I'm a real artist.
Whoa! Slow down there, Kazwa. You have to paint on the canvas, not the whole forest.
I'm just so inspired. Whee! Oh no! What have I done? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Ugh, that was a close one. I better get back. Good. That should break my fall. This isn't water. Now I'm a walking paintbrush. Gotta go. I need to find a way to distract Bilal. Well, that looks good, Zaky.
Thanks, Kazwa.
I got it. I can distract Bilal with a painting. It's not the best looking, Kazwa, but it will have to do. Oh, Bilal! Hooray! It worked! I'm a real artist. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, 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 oh.
These empty canvases are now works of art.
I guess Kazwa's clumsiness isn't always a bad thing.
Not again.
Looks like we'll have to work on your painting skills.
I think I need a break from painting for now.
Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. We had so much fun painting today. You can use your imagination to paint beautiful things like trees, flowers, fruits, and mountains. Remember, always be good to your parents and kind to others. Until next time, inshallah, assalamu alaikum.
In a forest full of wonders, one tiny mistake sets off an unexpected adventure. To save a friend, Kazwa and his pals must journey through Shadow Valley, climbing towering cliffs, and face challenges they never imagined. With teamwork, courage, and a little bit of luck, they'll discover that even the smallest heroes can make the biggest difference. This summer, join Kazwa, Zaky, and their friends on an unforgettable journey full of fun, friendship, and buzzing excitement. Coming soon.
Just keep going, put your trust in Allah. Just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, put your trust in Allah. Just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, you're almost there, don't give up. Up the mountain, cross the bridge, just keep going, don't give up. Through the valley, in the swamp, just keep going, don't give up. Come on, Kazwa, don't give up. Come on, Mo, we nearly there. Come on, Zaky, one more step. Just keep going, don't give up. Just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, put your trust in Allah. Just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, you're almost there, don't give up. Through the cave, it's dark inside. Just keep going, don't be scared. Hold the rope and take it slow. Allah's with you everywhere. When it's hard, say Bismillah. Take a breath and make dua. Step by step, we'll make it through. Allah will guide me and just keep going, Bismillah, don't give up. Just keep going, you're almost there.